Um, so, uh, the police had applied for custody. They had asked for 3 days custody. The reasons that they've cited is that they'll need to search his devices, his office and all of that. But all his devices were already handed over 2 days back. So our argument was that another 3 days of custody will not be required. And the Honorable Court agreed and said that 3 days custody may not be required and that the custody ends by tomorrow evening 5 p.m. So we hope that he gets bail immediately after that. That is most probably day after tomorrow. So we're moving the bail today, and day after tomorrow it should be considered. We're moving it today. We're moving it today, and hopefully it will be called by the court on Friday. That's our. That's what.
Still on a fast?
Yes, he's still on a hunger strike. No food, no water also. So he's been moved to the central prison so that he gets a 24-hour medical supervision as well. So yeah, that's what. No, he just said that I asked him if he's still on hunger strike, so he said he is, and that it's 48 by today afternoon 2 p.m. It's going to be 48 hours with no water and no food. So so there is a doctor supervision, and yeah, so there were a lot of arguments in the court that were absolute lies, to which Rahul got a little frustrated in the court. So we hushed him down on that, but he's a little frustrated that a lot of blatant lies were being said there. For example, the fact that he was given notice before arrest, and also the fact that he's quoted a few things in his videos which he's absolutely not quoted. So the prosecution had put forward these kind of arguments, which was a little difficult to just take laying back. So we argued that right away. Rahul had to argue, but then so it's a little frustrating for him, but hopefully it ends in the next 2 days.
Which court you are applying the bail for?
Sessions Court.
Here also.
Yeah, Sessions, Trivandrum. Yes, absolutely. I mean, it's not about sticking for one individual, whether it is Rahul Mankutithil or whether it is XYZ. It's not about the individual, but it's about silencing the tendency to put false allegations on anyone, be it a man or a woman. I think that is the movement that he stands for, and this hunger strike is also for that movement. It's not for one person, it's for that movement and for the need of the formation of a men's commission, which will be useful for our kids and the next generation of men. That's what it is. Thank you.